Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Hello all dinosaurs, I'm Dan and today we have a couple of different Jurassic World toys, new toys to unbox and review. We have a JW Soundstrike Dinos mix case right here, and we have the dual attack Triceratops. So let's check out what this is, okay, because I have no idea what's inside. It could be just a box, just a case to store the new dinosaurs. This is a new one. I've purchased a couple of new dinosaurs, but this is the only one that has arrived in the mail. Okay, I'm gonna use a box cutter to cut this open. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is really awesome. Just gonna cut this loose. I can see 3 new figures and I'm so excited. I am so excited. Yes, the new Cryolophosaurus. Wow. The new Pteranodon and the new Triceratops. Looks like Jurassic World has plenty of new Triceratops. So we have 3 new Primal attack figures. So excited. I am so excited. Oh, there isn't any collector's card by the look of it. Okay, firstly, let's take a look at the Cryolophosaurus. Oh my goodness. It looks simply amazing. Okay, where is my pair of scissors? I'm actually feeling super excited right now. Okay, let's cut this loose. What are you doing, Dan? You haven't even reviewed the box. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is the new Primal attack for 2020 actually, okay? So you can see there's a new Primal attack logo right here and an illustration to see how this works, okay? Soundstrike, that's Owen in blue right behind. Cryolophosaurus, you can see this beautiful background. You can see the cage right behind the enclosure. It is in red. I guess it is due to the volcano eruption. It has a symbol that represents audio, which means this can actually roar. If you take a look at the back, you can see the illustration. It has thrashing action. Nice, that's really nice. You can see another small illustration that says head strike. So it has a tail strike which swings up and down, and a head strike which swings the same way as well, I guess. Soundstrike, beautiful Jurassic World logo right here, containing roars. It has Triceratops and Pteranodon right at the bottom. Wow, did you guys hear that? Okay, it seems like there is a little what do you call this? A little pamphlet right inside. I am going to cut this loose right now to see whether there's any collector's card hidden. There you go. There is this little leaflet, but I guess it is just a leaflet with no cards inside. Oh, there is. Oh no, there isn't. Just a little manual, some instructions. Cool. Okay, it contains batteries as well. Okay, back to the figure, Dan. Please hurry up. We want to take a look at this Cryolophosaurus. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust the camera. I'm so excited about this Cryolophosaurus. Beautiful. It looks amazing. Wow. Okay, this portion right here, it's actually very flexible. Can you see that? Okay. The jaw can be opened and closed. Beautiful detailing amazing. The material feels the same as all the different dinosaurs. Okay, really cool. I'm still trying to figure out how to actually move the neck, because I've never seen a review on this before, so I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay, so are you supposed to move the tail? Yeah, I guess so. So if you move the tail up and down, the head will actually move up and down as well, sideways. So if you rotate this, you can see, so it acts the same as the thrash end of the T-Rex in a way. It's so cool. The articulation on the arms are very, very smooth, much smoother than the rest. Let's see the legs, whether you can open them sideways. Okay. And here's the code. You guys can actually scan this. Alright, got it? We'll do a scan later on. Let me just check my app whether it has been updated. As you guys can see, oh yes, it is updated. Okay, let me just turn it on. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, let's take a look at this once more. Beautiful paint job. You can see these brown patterns across the body. Beautiful toe claws. They are painted this time, which is good. Bud-like claws right here. Plenty of veins and muscle definition. The sounds is coming out from this area right here. Beautifully illustrated, painted right here. You can see the lower portion is painted in this faint pale shade of white, slightly grayish. Beautiful detailing right here. Wow, I love this crest. So there's no button for you to actually press to activate the movement. So it's basically for you to just hold the tail. If you move the neck, the tail moves slightly as well. Okay, so that's the first figure, Cryolophosaurus. Really, really awesome. Yes, so this is new. So I'm gonna scan it right now. Okay, let's do it, man. Got it. Just gonna turn on the sound for this. So that's the Cryolophosaurus for you. Wow. I'm not interested in the tips, please. How do I actually remove this? Whoa! How cool is this? How cool is this? Let's read some facts about this. Cryolophosaurus weighs half a ton, okay, which is around 500 kilograms. She can catch prey with grasping or 3 clawed hands. Nice, beautiful. You can't rotate it, so that's too bad. Carnotaurus will be coming really soon. I can't wait to review it. Okay, this video is gonna be long. As you guys can see, we are already in like the 8th minute. Next up, Pteranodon. Let's just quickly take a look at this Pteranodon. Awesome stuff. So similarly, you can see beautiful illustrations. Hurry up, Dan! I know you guys are saying, let's just cut this loose. Let's release this Pteranodon from its cage. Got it. Wow. Okay, this Pteranodon actually feels pretty heavy. Okay, it is different to wow. The wings looks amazing. Can you see that? You can't do this with the previous. Wow. It looks amazing. You can see the flapping. So the previous Pteranodon, the dual attack and the Rorivore, they can't move the wings up and down like this. They can't do that. You can only retract the wings like this, but this is a different level. Okay, let's take a look at the face. Beautiful face. Beautiful. I have a brown one and a green one, and this is like a brown and a green one as well together. Okay, so 2 buttons. Let's try. First button. Wow, this is amazing. nice. So this is like Dual Attack mixed with Rorivore. How cool is this? Way better than the Rorivore Pteranodon and the Dual Attack Pteranodon, because it has two functions. Incredible, pretty incredible. And if you press this button, and this is the first time that a Pteranodon can actually open its jaw when you press a button. Because the previous Pteranodons, you have to manually open the jaw. Awesome stuff. Beautiful paint job. You can see a nice Jurassic World logo right here, and here it's a code for you guys to scan, and of course we will want to scan that as well. Let's take a look. So, I mean, if you guys do not know, this is the Jurassic World Facts app, which you can just download from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. Okay, I'm not too sure why it is not working. Am I supposed to tap on it? There you go, there you go. So that's the issue right there. Always having some... Why did I just put my app down onto the floor or onto the ground? Let's take a look at this. Okay, you can actually view this in like... Wow, I didn't know this. You can actually rotate it. How amazing is this? Well done, well done. This is really awesome. I love it. I really love it. She can spring into the air using a technique called quad launching. Okay, that's cool. Pteranodon's crests are for display, not steering. Yep. It is just for, you know, like mating purposes to attract the opposite sex. Awesome stuff. Love this. I love the flapping action. It's amazing. Okay, we are moving on to our next one. I am just thinking whether I should just open, you know, the Dual Attack Triceratops together. Okay, let's open this up. But just very quickly, let's take a look at the box. Beautiful box, Triceratops. At the back, awesome. Ooh, did you guys see that? The head can actually rotate sideways. This is amazing. Okay, Triceratops. And of course, we're gonna take a look at Dino Rivals Triceratops as well. I'm just gonna get this out. Okay. This is basically for you to release so that you can actually activate the sounds. So this is the beautiful Triceratops. It weighs much heavier than the Rorivore Dual Attack. So this color scheme, okay, to be honest, we really have to take a look at all the different Triceratops. We have the Dual Attack Dino Rivals Triceratops. We have the original Rorivore, and we have the Dual Attack Triceratops. So there are 4 different types of Triceratops, okay? And which one do I like the most in terms of the colors? I think this one looks really, really cool. It looks like, you know, those kind of it looks real. It looks like the color of a rhinoceros. So I really like this, okay? I really like this. I'm just thinking whether we should be reviewing this one today. I'm not too sure. Let's see, because we are really running out of time. We are 15 minutes into this video. Okay, awesome stuff. Let's take a look. Beautiful light grayish brown as the base color. On top you can see some dark brown patches and some olive green shading right here. The frill, it has an outline, a glow of like white grayish paint. Looks really amazing. Awesome detailing. There's a bit of flaw right here. That's fine. The Triceratops is definitely one of the most detailed figures in terms of the facial sculpt. If you take a look at this, it is super well detailed. Let's just do a comparison. You see? Can you guys see that? Amazing stuff. I mean, of course, this is much more scales as compared to the Cryolophosaurus. And this is the code for you guys to scan. And it's time for us to take a look at how. Okay, too fast. Okay, just take a look at this again. Okay, the tail for you to operate. So let's rotate it. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? You can actually rotate the head. How are you today?
I'm not too bad.
Have you eaten your breakfast?
Yep.
Yeah, so there you go. This is pretty cool. I love how this tail actually activates the head. It is amazing. So if you move it up and down, the head will move up and down as well. Sideways. Oh, it doesn't work sideways. You guys see that? You can't move the tail sideways. You can rotate it. So you can't do this way, but you can rotate it. Amazing stuff. So this is the Triceratops. Okay, awesome stuff. I think I am going to leave this Triceratops to another day, cause you know, one thing is that we don't really have enough time. Alright? And one thing is that I want this to be the primer attack video. So we have 3 different dinosaurs, and if you ask me which one do I like the most or which one do I like more, I'm gonna say the Cryolophosaurus. Firstly, this is the first Cryolophosaurus of Jurassic World, I guess. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, the first one. It has a very nice paint job. These 2 are like remodels, you know, repaint of the previous sculpts. So yeah, but of course with new functionalities. So this is my most favorite among these 3. What about you guys? Do let me know. If you guys are not able to comment, go on to my Instagram, leave me a message, tell me how you feel. You know, in the future I am going to post a thumbnail of every single video that I post on YouTube, so you guys can actually communicate with me, cause in 2020 my channel will no longer have the commenting function for you guys, cause my channel is made for kids. I mean, I'm not going to lie, my channel is made for kids. Of course it is made for some collectors as well. So beginning from January 2020, Dance Surprise will no longer have the function of for you to leave comments in the video. Okay, there will be no functions for notifications, so make sure you keep coming back for more. Okay, so yep, let me know down below how do you feel about this new toys. From me, I love this Cryolophosaurus, and yeah, that's all, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video. Goodbye.